Already we saw how the corresponding angles will form with the transversal in previous lecture. Now in the given figure you have to write the pair of the corresponding angle. If this is the transversal T and this line is L and this line is M, when this transversal T intersect line L and line M in two distinct points, these are the point. With these two distinct points, upside 4 angles will form and downside 4 angles will form. With this you have to write the pair of the corresponding angles. Already I defined the definition of the pair of the corresponding angles. So one arm show on the transversal and another arm show the same direction toward the transversal. This arm and this arm show the same direction, and this arm are on the transversal. So with this I have to write the first pair. This I will write, this is the first pair. This first pair is what you have to say. In previous lecture we saw that this is N. What you have to say? Angle N and angle Y. What you have to say? Angle N and angle Y. Angle N and angle Y. Then second pair you have to write. What is the second pair? You have to say that angle O and angle Z. Angle O and angle Z. You have to write the third pair. Third pair will, this is the angles formed at the left side of the transversal or at the right side of the transversal. This is the right side, this is the left side. With the left side, which angles will form? So this angle M and angle X. Angle M and angle X. And downside pair is angle P and angle W. Fourth one is angle P and angle W. Once again I will repeat: angle N and angle Y, angle O and angle Z, angle M and angle X, angle P and angle W. In the right side of the transversal, this angle M, angle N and angle Y, angle O and angle Z. To the left side of the transversal, angle M and angle X, angle P and angle W. You have to keep the finger like this. This is the one pair, this is another pair. This is the one pair, this is another pair. Like that, the four pair of the corresponding angles will form. So here, in this figure, you have to again say that this BH is the transversal which intersect line TL and the line MT. TL and the line this transversal BH intersect line TL and line MP at point A and K in two distinct points. These are the two distinct points. This point and this point. This transversal will intersect these lines in two distinct points A and K. Due to the transversal, the four pair of corresponding angle, you have to read by the three letters. With the arrow end, you have to read the angles. I will say that this angle and this angle are the corresponding pair of angle. With the arrow end, you have to read. If you will start with this arrow, you have to read this angle by this arrow. This angle you have to read. This angle you have to read. You have to start with this L. Angle LAB. First angle is angle LAB. And angle, what you have to say? You have to start with this arrow. PKA. Angle PKA. PKA. Then second angle is this angle. This angle. So again you have to start with this arrow. LAK. Angle LAK. And angle, what you have to say? PKH. Then to the left, this angle and this angle are the corresponding pair. Start with the arrow. This and this arrow you have to read. This arrow you have to say that angle TAB. Angle TAB. And angle, what you have to say? MKA. Then with this you have to say that this angle and this angle. So you have to read with the arrow. Then start with the arrow. You have to read this angle like this, and you have to read this angle like this. At that time you have to work on that, and you have to say that angle TAK, angle TAK, and angle, what you have to say, MKH. These are the four pair of corresponding angle. Once again I will say that angle LAB and angle PKA, this. Then angle LAK and angle PKH, this pair. Then you have to start with this angle TAB and angle MKA. Then you have to read these angles. At that time you have to start with this. You have to say that angle TAK and angle MKH. In this way you have to read the angle, you have to write all these things, draw the figure by pencil and scale, and write each and everything properly. Thank you.